How to save pictures on Snapchat without them knowing. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Snapchat. Now go to your friends. Now open up the chat. Now open up the picture or snap you want to save. Now turn on the airplane mode. Now take a screenshot. Now go back. Now keep holding the Snapchat icon. Click on app info. Click on force stop. Go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now go back to your home screen. Now turn off your airplane mode. Now open up Snapchat again. Now log in into your account. Now go to the chat. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.